Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel a refund request on Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to cancel a refund request on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you needed to get a refund from one of your vendors that works for your online business, but they ended up sending you the payment a different way, like with a check or in cash, or maybe through PayPal. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to cancel a refund request on Cash App. It's handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white app right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel a refund request on Cash App, you need to find the transaction first off, and it's going to be down here on the bottom right. You need to click on this little white button. Mine says 7. Yours is going to say a different number, or it might just have a clock icon. Either way, just click on it. Okay, so once you click there, you will see all of your recent activity on Cash App, including any kind of refund requests that you have. Okay, so once you click there, you will see your recent activity on Cash App, including any kind of refund requests that you have with Cash App. You can see I have this refund request right here. In order to cancel this refund request, you just click on the transaction itself. Okay, once you click there, it will show the refund request. You can see I requested $44 from this person. However, if you want to cancel this request, just click on these 3 dots here on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this pop up down here at the bottom. It used to be able where you can go ahead and cancel the refund request automatically. However, now that has changed, so you do need to contact Cash App support by clicking on this button right here, Cash App support. Next, you're going to get this menu right here, and in order to cancel that refund request, click on this chat button. All right, once you do that, then you're going to have this chat support, and what you're going to do is click right down here on this chat button, and right here you want to go ahead and just type in cancel refund request. All right, go ahead and send that. All right, just a quick second later, the chat bot that Cash App has responds, and now you don't have to actually wait in the app. In my experience, Cash App usually writes back within a few minutes, so you can go ahead and wait and chat with them, or you can just wait for the notification and respond back, and just let Cash App support know that you would like to go ahead and cancel that refund request. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your refund request, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.